Alright, 3:30 in the afternoon, and we got it together, I guess. Pumping out lots of water. I'm gonna walk around here with the camera, go back to my favorite videographer style waving camera videos. So anyway, we got the hose hooked back up to the exhaust manifold, and the water hooked up to the exhaust manifold, and I don't see anything coming out of it. We'll watch the temperature and see what it does. Starting off here, not even off the peg, pretty typical. Put the camera down here so I got two hands for the boat. So when I crash, I'm not flailing my arms. Got my arms otherwise engaged. So there it is. Spitting out water. That's pretty close to idle, I think. What are we at here? 700 RPM. There's 2,000 RPM, which is pretty high, and it's spitting out lots of water. Thinking I can't abuse it like that very often. But at any rate, there we are. Am I happy? I guess so.